Welcome back to Bavarian Motorworks Driver. Another video I'm going to do in here. A very quick one. It's regarding INPA, which is a very old tool now, but still it's very useful for diagnosing your BMW. So basically, I'm just going to go through how to fix this error that you see on screen here. I know you can find this on various forums, but rather than you go around and scouring through forums to find the answer, I'm going to tell you very quickly how you can do it. And it's a very simple process. So I'm going to start now, so let's just get rid of INPA, shut it down. Do you want to quit? Yeah. So what we want to do is go to Device Manager. Now in Device Manager you will find the USB serial port COM1, which is your cable. So all you have to do, very simple, right click, go to Properties, go to Port Settings at the top, go to Advanced, and then the latency timer, just change it to 1. So click OK on that. OK on that. Reopen up your INPA. Go ahead and there you go, that other error has now disappeared. So you can diagnose your car now without that error coming up. My car does have an error, which I'm going to do in the next video. So I may as well read this while I'm here. Okay, yeah. So I've got 3 errors in memory. Drucked fueler. Okay, so that's going to be in the next video. So I hope that helps somebody regarding INPA. And I thank you for watching. And I will be back with another video. And there'll be 2 uploaded today. So thanks for watching. And I'll see you again.